Why them your things have happen, man? Sure, why people have to be so bad? This is disgraceful. No, man. Majesty! Majesty, come pass the remote for me, please. Sure. Every minute somebody dead pan the news. Why people must be so disgraceful? Majesty, me say come pass the remote for me, please. Sure, you ask them, you pick me up for the thing when it's like it never happened. Sure. But hold on there. Me didn't tell that pitney there from man if you come wash up is sitting in our sink. Majesty! Majesty, come wash up is sitting in our sink. Right from morning, me tell you to do it. Me tell that pitney there from this morning. Before you go in your room, wash up is sitting in our sink. Right? She gone in her room and she not come back downstairs. I mean, no, say she not do nothing because she not do no homework up there. Right? Majesty! Make sure you come down right now and come wash it sitting in our sink. Right? Me don't know what kind of nastiness this. Right? Me don't know nastiness in my house. Make sure you come and wash them now. Right? Or you can't let me sitting in our sink, so I'm going to ask you to wash them. Or you little girl, come downstairs now. So what is? Majesty. Majesty, come here. Come here now. This sitting keeper come up on my phone and I don't know what it is. Come do it for me now and set up the phone for me, please. Majesty, listen, come off our computer now. Try come do the phone for me now. Set it up and take that off. Every minute that I come up on my phone from the other day. Come set it up for me now, man. Majesty! Yeah? Yeah? Yes, Mom! Yeah? Yeah? Yes? Why she not answer? Mommy, I answered but you never said anything. When I didn't call you for you answer me. Me call you for you come here. When me call you that mean come here. What do you pick me, man? Sure.